Hey guys, here's a few tips when renovating your mudroom or boot room. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we have a nice mudroom we just finished up, and there's a few tips and things to consider when planning. So here we have a nice bench area on both sides to allow for easy access for putting on your winter boots, things like that. But within that, we also have some nice storage in the form of drawers. So with the drawers, it provides you full access to the full depth of the storage space, as opposed to a cubby, which would be pretty tough to get to the back. So plan well for the use of drawers there. Here we have some nice hooks to store the current season's jackets and things you need to easy access to. We have a little beadboard detail on there to provide some texture and depth. And here we have some overhead cubbies, which are great to store those accessories that you need quick access to. You could put some baskets in here if you'd like, but again, designed for quick access. Over on this side here, we've gone with an open space below the bench to provide storage space for your boots and taller footwear, things of that nature. Again, overhead storage and some hooks, but now ample storage in these large cabinets to put away those seasonal items. And also we have some additional pantry space. We have some overhead storage again for those rarely used items, but overall, I think the way you plan to use the storage in the space is critical. It's a beautiful finish, the wood bench tops tie in with the kitchen and our new flooring product, and overall, it's a really nice, clean aesthetic. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Have a great one.